Hi everyone, Matt from the Shaker Library here, and in this video we're going to be talking about JobNow from BrainFuse. Now, JobNow is an online resource for job seekers, and some of its services include live job interview coaching, a resume lab, and test preparation tools, including practice tests for the GED and citizenship tests. Now, of course, all of this content is free for library patrons, and as we'll show a little while later, there are apps for both Android and Apple. So once you get set up on a computer, you can take your learning with you. Getting to JobNow is pretty easy. Your first step is to go to shakerlibrary.org, and then once on our homepage, you'll want to click on the Resources and Research button right over here. And this will get you to our listing of our different digital resources. Fastest way to JobNow is to simply click on the letter J. That'd call up a list of any of our resources that start with the letter J. And right now, as we record this, JobNow is our only J resource, so it streamlines the process a little bit. So you'd want to click on that link, and it'll get you to their homepage here. So you want to go ahead and put your library card number in this field here, and then click Log In. Now, much of what they have in JobNow can be accessed without creating an account, but there are features like the live coaching and the resume lab where you do need to have an account. So you'd go over here to My Account, click Log In, and if this is your first time doing this, you want to do Sign Up right down here. So this is where you would create your username and password, and they have a security question, and then you are signed in. So we'll go ahead, we will create our account. So if that successfully gets put in, you'll have a screen that looks like this, and then you can go back to the home button and begin navigating from there. The people at JobNow, they've made getting around their page a fairly intuitive process. A user could just jump right into a job search. They've got these search fields right here, so you could put in a job title or a keyword or even a company name there, followed by a location, city, state, or zip code. Or you could take advantage of other features like the resume help here. They have their live experts on call. These days, their coaches are available every day from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Time. There's resume templates to be downloaded, various online resources to help you prepare your resume. And this resume lab gives users a chance to submit their resume, have an expert look over it, and then send them feedback. Over here in the job interviews, again, live coaching, interview tips, and various online resources to help you out. The career column has got the live job coaching, career assessments, various online resources here. The Skill Surfer has live skills building and a library of lessons, videos, tests, and more. The e-Parachute lets you discover the college majors and careers that match your skills and interests. And then Optimal Resume is resume creation software. I wanted to jump back to the Skill Surfer because this is a particularly powerful feature of JobNow. As you can see, all sorts of test prep hiding out in here, from your high school equivalency, college entrance exams, and then really nice in this career prep and job resources, if you expand here, all these different professions. We know at the library, a lot of these are the most asked for in terms of practice tests and test books. So it's something like civil service professionals. You could click on that. and all these different guides and resources to help you if you're looking at the civil service exam, for instance. We go back home. One more thing to look at is this Adult Learners tab. And this allows users to fine-tune skills, get ready for the citizenship test if needed. There's also help with Microsoft Office products in here. So again, all sorts of nice resources going on here. Now, if you happen to be a veteran, there's one more feature that we'd like to point out here. The people behind JobNow, they're called BrainFuse, they have sort of an addendum to JobNow. It's called VetNow. So to find that, you'd simply go back to the Research Tools page and click on the letter V and scroll down to VetNow. And it's pretty much the same interface as JobNow. So you go ahead, put your library card number in. And if you already created your JobNow account and are logged in, you should just be automatically logged into VetNow. And again, it's all the same tools as you'd find in JobNow, the live tutoring, the skill surfer and whatnot, but there's additional resources for veterans in here, such as this Live Veteran Navigator. So again, this is sort of a nice addendum to JobNow if you happen to be a veteran in need of job help. Finally, as we mentioned in the introduction, this is portable. You can take JobNow with you in your Apple device or an Android device by downloading the app. So features such as the calendar, keeping track of your past sessions and whatnot can be accessed by a mobile device. So all in all, this is a very powerful set of tools we have at our disposal. And again, all free for library patrons. Now, hopefully this video was some help as you try to navigate through JobNow. But if you do have any further questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. We'll have the contact information up on a slide at the end of the video. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.